The Grecov house, situated in Alphaville 2, Cidade Ocidental, Goiás, Brazil, and designed by ARQBR Arquitetura e Urbanismo, is more than just a residence. It's a dialogue between modern architecture, the lush tropical landscape, and the contemporary lifestyle of a Brazilian family. The choice of materials, forms, and spatial arrangements all reflect a deep understanding of the surrounding context and the needs of its inhabitants. The location within Alphaville 2, a well-planned residential area with ample green spaces, provided the architects with an opportunity to design a home that could closely connect with nature. The core design principles of simplicity, functionality, and seamless integration between indoor and outdoor spaces remain central, but within the Brazilian context, the architects have incorporated elements that respond to the local climate and culture. The floor plan prioritizes air circulation and natural light. Large openings and sliding glass doors naturally connect the living, dining, and outdoor areas, creating a sense of spaciousness and fluidity. The design of covered balconies and outdoor relaxation spaces allows residents to comfortably enjoy outdoor living throughout the year. Beyond its architectural beauty, the Grecov house emphasizes practicality and sustainability. The design considers energy efficiency through the use of natural light and ventilation, the selection of durable materials, and efficient rainwater management. In conclusion, The Grecov house by ARQBR Arquitetura e Urbanismo is an admirable example of architecture that responds harmoniously to its local context and the needs of its residents. The integration of simplicity with refined details, the connection between interior and exterior spaces, and the emphasis on sustainability make this house a standout project that reflects the evolution of modern architectural design in Brazil.